I've got all these pairs and I'm still buying random GRs. What? What's good, guys? Ash Bash back again with another episode of Ash Bash Waffles on. I was so close to not recording this video today. Been super busy all week with stuff. My day off fell on a Saturday, which is a rare thing for me, and I didn't have time to actually record it. I was actually enjoying my Saturday for once. But enough waffling about nothing, let's waffle about sneakers. So the title of this video, I don't even know what I'm gonna put as the title, but basically I want to talk about sort of buying GRs or buying sort of like cheaper sneakers that you see as steal for when you've got a massive collection as it is. So basically what I've been thinking about lately is a couple cops that I've made, a couple cops that I've been looking at, and a couple cops that I've made in the past. Been thinking to myself, I wish I didn't spend that money. I could have spent it on something else. I could have saved up for a big like resale purchase or something like that. But as a sneakerhead, you see a good deal, you kind of go for it sometimes, or you just happen to be scrolling and you think, oh, why not? Let's just do it. So like I had a recent review for a pair of Asics, a GR pair of Asics. They were in like a light blue, purplish kind of color. Really like the shoe, really like the shoe. But when I think about it, even though it was really cheap, it was like £40 or whatever, when am I gonna wear it? As my work, as you know, with my work, I don't get to rock sneakers like all the time. I'm wearing my sneakers to work, come home, and then if I happen to go out in the evening, then it's that. Otherwise, it's on my days off. If I happen to go out again, so it's like max really 2 days a week, I'm gonna get to wear my fly shit. And I've got like shitloads of pairs, as you know. So it's like, when am I really gonna feel like, yeah, today is the day for a GR pair of Asics? Chances are, if I'm going out, I'm gonna wanna stunt somehow or wear something new. So it kind of is a waste of time and a waste of money. And I really need to stop doing that sort of stuff. Like, it's nice to have it in the collection, but I just been thinking to myself, I've got so many pairs that I've bought over the years that are just sitting there, and I'm like, I'm never gonna rock these. I've got some super duper GR Sauconys, never gonna rock them. But back when I did buy them, I didn't have the biggest collection ever, so wearing them would be a specialty. But now I've got so much heat on it, it's like, that's never gonna be one that I'm gonna go for. And then because again, I have so many sneakers, I don't know why I keep talking about I have so many sneakers, but because I do have so many sneakers, it's never gonna be a day where like those Asics, they're in like a light blue, but I've got light blue Saucony collabs with extra butter. I've got my Flyknit trainers. I've got Jordans that are light blue. It's like, why would I skip all those ones that I wanna sort of get people's attention or just look cool or whatever, and go for the £40 GRs that are dope, but when am I gonna wear them? So yeah, I'm gonna try and make a concerted effort to basically, and it's not even like an anti-GR video, because GRs are cool. I've got like my Nike Flyknit Epic Reacts, they're GR basically, love them. Wear them to work now, it's my new work sneaker and all that. But it's kind of a case of, when you've got quite a lot of sneakers, make smarter decisions. I'm listening to the sneaker podcast as I usually do, and one of the dudes in there is just selling a bunch of sneakers. I'm thinking, bloody hell, he's getting rid of so much stuff, he's gonna regret it. But I've got so much stuff that I'm pretty much sure I would never touch again, because there's gonna be no occasion to wear them. So why not get rid while you can? I hate selling sneakers because one, it's a long process. I hate negotiating with people and all that. And two, a lot of the stuff that I'm probably gonna sell is gonna go for like peanuts. And while I might have spent, like, say for some of the GRs, I might have bought them for £70, which is probably a good price back then, which is nothing now. If I sell it, I'm probably going to sell it for like 20 or 30. It's just going to hurt me. And I think rather than selling it for 20 or 30, I could just rock it here and there. But I don't know. So a question I have for you guys is, how do you manage your sneaker purchases? Do you just go for heat? Do you go for GRs? Do you have a big collection where you find it tough to decide when to rock stuff? So buying sort of basic kind of stuff is going to be hard to rock. You're really going to have no time to do it. How do you go about that? But yeah, a random topic, as you normally get with me. More to come. I've got a sneaker review as well. Hopefully should get that up on Tuesday, tomorrow, because I'm actually finishing work early, so I can definitely get that one done. And there might even be another review towards the end of the week, which I am super excited about. But anywho, follow me on Instagram, @ashbashsneakers. My Twitter is perfection7. All the information is in the bio. And also hit that like button, subscribe, hit the bell icon to get a notification every time I upload, every single Monday without fail. Hopefully I'll release this on Monday. And yeah, I'm signing off. Radio.